Hey, Betsey. Hey. I'm trying to take pictures of you, but you're not smiling. Oh, hey. That's a little unexpected. Yeah, I don't even have anything around me. Alright, there you go. Are you gonna keep talking? Talk to me. Hey, Betsey. Hi. You don't want to talk anymore? Is that how it goes? I turn the video on and you stop talking? Betsey. Good girl. Good girl. You're dying to say your first words, aren't you? So what else is new? Huh? What else can you say? So you slept very well last night and we just got up? Are you still tired? This thing zooms in way too much. Huh, Betsey? Come on, talk to me. Talk to your mama. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Yeah? Wow. No way. What else? What else? Nothing else? Betsey? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Good job. Alright, say bye now. Bye. Is it a bye? Bye-bye.